Welcome to MyHalalGig, the ultimate halal documentation system that makes managing halal and Has file become simple and organized. Here's how you can access the Has templates quickly and easily. Navigate to the template. Choose any items that you require to see the templates. Once you are in the preferred item section, click the download button. Your template has been successfully downloaded. You can now see it in Files Explorer on your devices. You are ready to edit the templates. And that's how simple it is to access Has template in MyHalalGig. Log in to MyHalalGig now and simplify your halal compliance and documentation journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our system.